Hey everybody, today I'm excited to be installing a new dash cam in my GMC Sierra EV pickup truck. We're going to be installing the FITCAMX dash cam, which, as many of you guys know, I am a big fan of. I've had them in my previous vehicles. I currently have one in my EV6, and I really like them because not only are they really easy to install, but they have a very OEM look to them. They don't have any wires hanging down. They essentially replace the mirror shroud that you have with one that includes the camera, and it just plugs in with the mirror power. So it's always on when the vehicle is on, and the video quality is solid. The app works fine, but I really like the OEM look. So I'm excited to get this installed, and I'm going to go through the installation with you guys in my Sierra EV. I'll show you guys the app, and I'll show you some test footage. So let's get to it. Now, taking it out of the packaging, it's wrapped up nicely here. We have the replacement mirror shroud with the built-in dash cam. And everything looks good there. We have the wiring harness, which connects it to the factory rear view mirror for power. We have a trim removal tool. And it does come pre-installed with a 64GB memory card. They also do offer different options. I got just the front camera version, but they also have a front and rear camera version with different size memory cards. Now the factory mirror shroud will come off, and we'll install the new FITCAMX dash cam mirror shroud in its place. So first, let's go ahead and take off the factory mirror shroud. I'll take the trim removal tool and pry out at the top, and then at the bottom. And now that it's loose, I'll take out the center cover. And the entire thing slips down. And there we go. Now for the wiring, we'll unplug this connector here. Then we're going to plug that into the new wiring harness. And then this other end will go into the dash cam. And the other side goes back where we unplugged it. And now we're ready for the dash cam. Here I'll go ahead and plug it in. Then I'll get it snapped in place. Alright, now this took a while to get everything all lined up perfectly, and I really had to push to snap it in. It definitely was not easy, and I have to say my arms got pretty tired, but just keep at it and it will snap in. It seems like it's tight against the headliner when snapping it in, which I think makes it challenging. Also making sure not to pinch any of the wiring underneath. But eventually I got it after about 5 minutes or so. Made sure it's nice and tight here. Then I installed the center cover piece. And all done. All right, next up, we'll take off this blue camera film here. And we're all set, and it looks great. Now we'll go ahead and connect to the FITCAMX app, which is in the Apple App Store as well as the Google Play Store. You'll need to connect to the camera Wi-Fi using password 1234567 and you'll need to make sure it stays connected since it doesn't provide internet and it's going to give you a warning message. Then it will load up its interface, and here you can see a live view, and you can go into the settings and toggle things like sound recording. You can adjust the video resolution. I personally leave it in 1440p for file size and quality. You can adjust the loop recording duration. I personally do 3 minutes there. Now to access the files, you can remove the memory card and use it on a computer if you want to, but personally I think it's easier to use the app. You just go into the camera files, and here you can view them, and you can download them directly to your device. I'll go ahead and show you guys a couple of video examples. This is straight off the camera in 1440p. You can see it has a fairly wide field of view, and you can easily see vehicles around you and tell the different makes and models. Pausing it, you can see license plates of vehicles nearby that aren't moving at a drastically different speed than you are. And yeah, quality is decent and plenty for proving fault to insurance in case you're in an accident, which is of course the primary reason people get dash cams. For nighttime video, quality is acceptable. Oncoming vehicles, you can't tell license plates because of the headlights, but basically all dash cams struggle there. But again, quality is good enough to determine fault in case of an accident. So overall, I'm very happy with it. I love the OEM look and style and fitment, and the installation wasn't too bad. And again, the video quality is solid. It's also very competitively priced. It's $189 on their website, but if you use my promo code TechJeff, it saves you 10%, which brings it to just $170. And considering its packaging, I think that's a great deal for a solid dash cam. And they have it for a lot of other vehicle makes and models as well. So anyway, let me know what you guys think of the FITCAMX dash cam. Let me know if you have any questions about it, about the installation or how it works or any of that. And if you guys like this video, be sure to hit that like button. It really helps me out. And make sure you subscribe for more content. I have a lot more videos on the way, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.